A warm greeting to all. This is Shahid Ali presenting the paper of income tax under the guidance of Dr. S.B. Kishore sir. These are some content of this paper we will discuss here. This is the syllabus of income tax has been offered by various universities. Let us discuss the outline of paper. The paper will start with the definitions and concepts of income. A section that need to understand the deduction allowed under the Income Tax Act help you to reduce your taxable income. With the help of format that needs to follow in order to solve a given problem. So at the beginning, syllabus start with the definitions of income, agriculture income, residential status, and difference between capital and revenue receipts. Then it will introduce the concept of 5 heads of income tax. How to solve problems of income from salary with the help of process and format. Then it will help to learn how to save tax on home loan, interest. This is guide for you. It also talks about how to calculate income from house property. Then the paper will end with the computation of income from other sources. Let us discuss some objectives and importance of paper. This paper will help to understand the basic principles underlying the Income Tax Act. It will help to compute the taxable income of an assessee. Also to gain knowledge about the direct tax laws in force for the relevant previous year. Also provide knowledge and insight into procedural aspects for assessment of tax liability for various assessing. To provide students with the conceptual knowledge of tax laws in India. To create an understanding of the GST framework as well as taxes levied by the state government and other local authorities. These are some applications of this paper. All the real life application of income tax acts, rules, laws which are daily applicable in practical life are studied here. So a student would acquire knowledge about the legal framework and the way and means to deal with the legal aspects of different situations of corporate sectors. Student will also learn the fundamental of taxations focusing mainly on individual federal income taxes. These are some references if you want to go in depth of this paper, sections, laws, etc. These books are available. Thank you for watching this video.